Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, February 9th. This is David, and let's take a quick look at Palo Alto Networks here this evening. And this is a name that's been quite bullish recently, but the question we want to ask is, where might this move up stop? So we can look at some of the pullbacks on the way, such as this one here, and look at where the move back up has Fibonacci proportions to the decline. So we can come in and measure swing high to swing low, project upwards from that, looking at 127.2%, 161.8% as target 2, and target 3 is generally going to be 261.8%. We got a little bit above it here today, but pretty much closed at that level. And within this leg up here, we can use the smaller pullbacks and project the same way. So if we measure that swing high to swing low, right, measure upwards from that level, we can see that again, the 261.8% external retracement of that smaller decline ends up at the same spot. Now, up from the bigger pullback last year, right, you can see that a lot of these legs, this leg here, this leg here, this leg here, are somewhat similar in size. And often a lot of the moves that we'll see in the same direction are similar in size. And so we can measure for symmetry, just come in and measure this leg up. This is actually the longest of those three, but they are relatively similar. And again, see that that this leg up, if it was going to be equal in length to this leg, would end roughly in the same spot. So we are seeing a bunch of levels that do sort of coincide near today's high. I'm going to want to see the start of a move down to think that Palo Alto is going to be finished to the upside. But if we come in and we turn on our Voodoo lines, right, and see where those levels come in, again, we'll see that up against today's high of the day is going to be this Voodoo fire line, the most important of our Voodoo line levels. So if we're going to turn back down, this would be an interesting spot to watch. Now, the Voodoo lines can also tell us when we start to see a pullback that that is big enough that it would start to suggest that the move was over. So taking a look at this and zooming in, right, the first sign would be getting below this skyline just under 375, and then a larger degree break would come in at a snow line level. So there's a lot of power looking at these Voodoo line levels for stocks and indices that we have them on. It is worth noting that Simpler Trading President's Day sale is starting here today. So if you are interested in the Voodoo lines or any of our other tools, you can pick those up at a discount here through President's Day. But in any case, if you're interested in the Voodoo lines or just want to follow along, I hope you found this useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.